This video will demonstrate the recommended process on how to brew coffee. Begin each brew cycle with a clean empty brew funnel and server. Be sure the server lid don't interfere with the flow from the funnel. Insert a bund filter, pour or grind the proper amount of fresh coffee into the filter and level the bed of grounds by lightly shaking. Slide funnel into the funnel rails of the brewer, making sure that it is fully seated. Place an empty server under funnel. Choose a batch size. Press the Enable on/off button to on. Momentarily press and release the brew button. The display reads, "Now brewing," and will show the time remaining in the brew cycle. Following the brew will be a countdown of drip time. The display screen will read dripping and will show time remaining. Carefully remove the brew funnel and discard the grounds in filter only after visible dripping has stopped.